Hello, YouTube! It's been a pretty weird April so far here in the Philippines because right now it's supposed to be hot, the start of the summer season. But for some reason, it still feels like Christmas. It feels still really cool outside. I wake up at 3 in the morning, I'll be shivering from the cold. It's kind of strange. Now, even though I enjoy this weather, I really like it. I love it. I love this weather. It's fantastic. But I'm kind of paranoid because, the bad weather might probably have revenge on us later this year. Who knows? It may be cool now, but later in the year it could be, catastrophic. So I'm kind of worried. But still, no, I think I should probably just enjoy it for what it is and worry about what's to come later. I'm just going to make sure that our roof is alright, and strong enough. I'm gonna have some carpenters go up there and check it just to see if they, can stand really bad weather. Because during past typhoons, it almost feels like our roof is about to come off. So, anyway, enough of that. I've been expecting summer, actually. Because by this time I'm usually making videos complaining about how hot it is here in the Philippines. I have old videos here on my site here on YouTube where I complain about how hot it is, and how I paint from the hotness of the weather, not of me. Anyway, I've been preparing, and how exactly do I prepare for the hot weather? I don't know. I guess me and my friends, Jonas and my friends and Johnny, we go out swimming. We go out swimming. We plan a beach outing, or we find a resort somewhere near here, and we go out swimming for the entire day, and it's fun. It's a fun experience for us, and it's only enjoyable when it's hot outside and the sun's blistering hot and you go swimming. That's fantastic. But if you can't go swimming with this kind of weather, cold weather, so much for that kind of preparation. What else do I do to prepare for summer? uh, I pretty much break out my Hawaiian shirts and my suntan lotion, but otherwise that's pretty much it. I don't remember anything else. Doing anything else to prepare for the hot weather, to keep me cool under the sun. Anyway, April is also the month of Summer Comic Con here in the Philippines. Summer Comic Con is one of the biggest comic book conventions in the country, and it's going to be next week, April 16, 2011, and I'm going to be covering that on video, step by step. In the past years, I would be getting a table at the Comic Con, getting a spot so I can sell my stuff. But since I don't really have anything to sell this year, I'm just gonna go, and go around, talk to people, make a video with all of you who is coming to that event. Okay, if you want to go to Summer Comic Con, it's going to be at the Bayanihan Center. It's along Pioneer Street in Pasig. It's somewhat near the Shangri-La, EDSA Shangri-La and the Mega Mall area, over at the crossing side. If you're going, I'll be there from morning until afternoon. I think the venue opens at 10 a.m. I think, or 9:30. I'm not sure, but I'll be pretty much there until late afternoon, maybe early evening. I don't know. So, uh, until next time, YouTube, stay tuned for my Comic Con video. Bye bye.